Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add Instagram feed to Wix website. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and once you've logged in, we need to access our website. So in this case, this is my site. I'm already in the admin dashboard. So in this case, you want to go to home and click on the button here that says edit site. So it's going to open up another tab wherein you'll be able to start editing your website. Now in this case, for us to add our Instagram feed, we need to install an app. So at the left section here, you should be able to see the add app section. So go ahead and click on it. And it's going to open up the Wix app market. So look for the option here that says Instagram. So just type in Instagram here. And once you've done that, just press on enter. And in here, you should be able to see the Instagram feed. So display your Instagram feed on your site. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you need to install this into your Wix account or in your Wix website. And once you've done that, just click on the add again option here. It's going to start adding it. Now, if this is the first time that you're using it, it might be different for you. So make sure that you actually just follow the steps on actually adding it into your website. Now in this case, I'll be able to add my Instagram feed here. So if you want to change a few things, just click on it, click on settings here, and you'll be able to change the main display here, or you'll be able to connect your business account or connect your personal account here. Also display here if you want to display your profile photo, total posts, your followers. So you can change a few things here if you want to as well. I have the settings here, the text, links, layout, design, and support. Now from here on, just fill out or connect your account here, and from there, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.